To connect to a new lab using TRIOS, click More and then select Settings. Then in the menu click Connections and then Labs. Now click the Add button and search on the pop-out. Fill in the email address of the lab you want to connect to and click Search. If the lab is registered on 3Shape Communicate, you'll see the result in the new window. Now click Connect. The connection request was sent. The lab needs to approve your request. Until then, the connection has the status Waiting for approval. The approval time depends on how quick the lab will be with the response. Once the lab has approved your connection request, it will be added to your list of connected laboratories. When done, click, for instance, on the patient page. Then you'll be asked to save all your changes. Accept them by clicking Yes on the confirmation pop-out. It's worth knowing that you can use the 3shape.com website to find certified TRIOS-ready labs in your area. Thank you for watching.